Hey guys, welcome back. I'm getting ready for my cruise. So today we're gonna be taking this suitcase and putting stuff inside it. Hey guys, before we start packing, I'm gonna show you guys a really quick meal idea because I am starving. Okay, so I went to El Paisa, I got a thing of beans. This was $2. And I was able to get this with it. So these are two verde salsas. I got this from Costco. It's carb balanced flour tortillas. They're 70 calories each. And I think I can make like 2 burritos.
Okay, I met you at a point in my life when I was trying to be somebody that I knew I'd always be, and you would try your best to help me get by. A friend I really needed, a friend I could call home, you see. The more we sing, the more we grow, the more we dream, the less we know. But the morning sun don't always have to shine. We'll be fine.
Okay, so because I have 2 salsas, I'm gonna use one today. The other one, I'm probably gonna use later this week if I make quesadillas. So it's a win-win. Okay, time to eat it. I didn't mention this, but these beans are so much better than store-bought beans. I don't know what they put in it. Maybe it's trans fat, I'm not sure. But it's so delicious. And beans are really good if you're trying to lose weight, just because it's like a healthy fat. So, win-win-win.
Well, I'm not. You helped me navigate through the nights when I was feeling out.
Okay, so I guess I'm ready to pack. I went ahead and put a bunch of clothes that I'm thinking to take down here, but I need to narrow them down. So, I guess we'll start with the shoes. These shoes are from Shein, never been worn, got them specifically for this cruise. They're definitely going on the cruise. I'm thinking to take it. I'm kind of thinking maybe I should just get all the dresses. I guess we first need to really think about it. Fancy dinners, probably. Do they have it the first night? I don't know. I think I'm gonna need 4 nice dresses for the dinner, and then just like everyday outfits, pajamas, swimsuits. I'm just gonna start. Okay, so I have this really long maxi dress, but it's really thin, so I think it'll be a good dress for the cruise, if it can get it to fit. So I might have to narrow this down to big bulky dresses or cut, so this may not make the final selection. We'll see. Okay, this dress, I normally don't wear this dress only because there's a slit, and I usually don't like dresses with slits, but I kind of want to bring it, so I'm gonna put this in my pile too. This I'm definitely gonna bring. This is like a beachy dress. Definitely, it's got pockets. I got it from Amazon, so it looks really cute on. It kind of doesn't look super cute when I hold it up, but I like it. Gonna bring it. Okay, I have to bring these two. Okay, the way that I'm gonna justify bringing this one is this is gonna be more of like on the boat, not necessarily fancy dinner dress. This I got from Shein. Definitely fancy dinner dress. It looks, again, like some of the stuff when I hold it up, it doesn't look super cute on, but I promise it's gonna look cute on the boat. Okay, and another fancy dinner dress, I think. Which means this dress right here didn't really make the cut, but I could also see this could be like an on the deck dress. I'm gonna bring it. Okay, so now I have a lot of dresses. I might have too much clothes. I have to bring shorts. If I'm going on a cruise, I have to bring shorts. I'm gonna bring this shirt. Okay, so I just went upstairs to get the suitcase. I'm thinking just pack it until I can't fit more stuff in it. This is one of those like long sleeve SPF shirts, which I was kind of thinking to maybe wear with some shorts. Okay, these shorts are really short, but I'm gonna be on a boat wearing a swimsuit. So I think this is the perfect time to take them. Maybe I'll wear them to the gym, maybe I'll wear them, I don't know. I think this is a good time to take them though. Let's see, so these shorts and a shirt. I'll go with those shorts and a shirt. And then I just have a few just like random shirts that also I think will look good with those shorts. I'll probably wear the jean shorts most of the time if I'm not wearing a dress. Okay, some things I didn't think about yet are, what am I gonna wear to bed? So I think I'm probably just gonna bring some of these shorts I got from Costco. So I have different colors and patterns. But I'm thinking just this and a t-shirt. I was gonna bring these are like little mermaid pants, but I'm kind of thinking that it's probably gonna be too hot and this is gonna take up more room so I can pack more stuff if I have shorts versus the long pants. That's my reasoning. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe just like 2 shirts for bed. I know there's like a debate going like, how often should you wash your pajamas, or you know, should you wear the same pair over and over? I think I'm gonna wear the same pair over and over, so I don't know. That's what I'm gonna do. This is just a cute shirt, so I'm gonna bring it. So whatever shirts I don't wear to bed, I'm gonna wear to work out in. So I do plan to work out hopefully 2 times on the boat because I'm already planning to eat a lot, so I have to work out because if I don't, yeah. Okay, so this one is a workout shirt. Let's see, workout shorts and capris. You know what, I think I'm just gonna bring the same pair of workout shorts. I know that's kind of gross, but I'm probably just gonna work out in the same pair of shorts twice. Judge me all you want. I'm trying to get everything I want to fit. Oh, most importantly, don't want to forget this. Got my swimsuits here, so I have this one. I don't know why they do this. If someone, for the love of God, will tell me why they have removable padding, that would be amazing, because it is the most annoying thing ever in the world, like ever. I feel like I just need to sew these in place because it is so stupid. Okay, there. Anyways, okay, so I got this top part of my swimsuit, bottom part of my swimsuit, let's see. Bottom part of my swimsuit, and let's see, so that's one. I think I might be bringing too many. These are the exact same, they're just different colors. So I have this black one. Okay. Same thing, but it's maroon. I just really like the style, I guess. I will get this to fit. Okay, so I'm not done packing. Some things I still need to bring are, I need to bring a little bit of makeup. I need to bring hairbrush, toothbrush, like toiletry things. I'm already pretty much like packed all I can fit in here. I might have some space in the corners, which means my hair dryer and my hair straightener may have to be sacrificed. Those are like, I kind of see those as extra. So I'll just have to see. Let's try to see if I can get this to close. I might also watch a video just to see if there's an easier way. Maybe if I roll the clothing up, I can get more space and get more to fit. So that is like backup plan. Okay, this is good. Should I bring these white Gap shorts? There's some stuff that I'm packing, but I'm not going to show on camera just because you got to keep some things private. So let your imagination run wild. Workout capris? No. I'll wear the same pair of shorts. Okay. Got to go get more stuff. I do realize that I'm crazy. I got a lot of bags. It's only because when I buy stuff, they give me free bags, and now I have a lot of them. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to look through these. It would help if you can see it. Okay, so I'm gonna look through these bags and I'm gonna try to narrow down what exactly I want to take. I think I'm gonna bring the Chanel. Definitely want to bring this. This is just like face powder. I'm not gonna bring this. Toothpaste right here. I'm gonna bring it. Ooh. This is like a facial mineral sunblock. SPF 50. Definitely gonna take it. Ooh. This is birthdaybalm.com Glossier lip gloss. Definitely taking it. So I need to bring my brush. I should probably clean it, but I'm gonna bring this. Ooh, I love this perfume. Marc Jacobs Perfect. That stuff lives up to its name. It is perfect. This is nice, a travel size makeup remover. I love this eyeshadow. Baked Original Highlighter in French Vanilla. Concealer, just in case I need it. This is really old, but I love it. Eyebrow pencil, Anastasia. This is probably in soft brown. And last is gonna be Tarte Double Take. You can't really read that. It's gonna be Tarte, oh, it's like this. Tarte Double Take Eyeliner Duo. Love it. Okay, so this one is coming with me. Ready? Okay, so I'm getting there. Okay, I will also be bringing this little hip bag. So this is what I'm gonna probably be storing the camera that I'm using right now, so the Sony ZV-1, because the camera fits in this, plus the little tripod, plus I can fit the batteries in this little zipper part right here, so I have everything I need on the go. I used this when I went to the Dragon Boat Festival, and it is perfect. I forget I'm wearing it, and this stuff is great. I'm gonna use it as a purse. I think you also don't have to worry about getting mugged because it's like you're literally wearing it on your waist. It's gonna be so much easier for someone to grab a bag from you versus try to take this off of you so they can steal it. Anyways, this is coming with me. Love it. I got this from my FabFitFun box, by the way. Okay, so again, we've got the shoes. I think I'm gonna have to wear another pair of shoes too because I don't know that these are gonna go with all the dresses that I'm bringing, and I don't wanna so I'm not really sure. Those can fit on the top though. Let's see, some more things I'm missing are probably, I could probably fit in this bag, but like I'm thinking to bring a travel size shampoo, conditioner, my razor so I can shave my legs, body wash. I think that's deodorant. Is that it? I need to put my toothbrush in here too. I need to put my toothbrush in this bag. So that's a lot of stuff. I'm already kind of full. Plus I need my hairbrush and my hair straightener, which I'm gonna pack later because this is actually, I'm filming this Monday, so I'll probably use it the day before. But I'll go ahead and like prep the bag as much as I can before I go. But I think we made a good dent in this today. I'll go grab the travel stuff. Okay, so I found some stuff that I was missing. Razor, got it from Costco. This is actually for men, but I like it. I honestly think that they overprice the women razors just because they know women will buy stuff. But this guy one is perfect. It's from Harry. It's called Harry's. Works wonderful. It's really good, close shave, love it. Native deodorant because, you know, gotta smell nice. This Invisible Defense, this is a mineral sunscreen, right? Is it mineral? It's not mineral. So this sunscreen for your face, Neutrogena 60. I wear this like literally every day. Whenever I run out, I'm planning to switch to a mineral sunscreen, but I don't want to waste this one. So using this for now. This, I might actually just not bring my Chanel and just bring this one because this works so good. And again, it's SPF 30. I don't think Chanel is SPF anything. So I think this is the better option for this trip. Then I have my shampoo and conditioner. These are the travel sizes. I got them for free when I ordered off their website. Okay, so let's make some switches. Okay, so Chanel's going away. Oh, this is actually SPF 15. So this one is higher, so I'll be taking this one. Okay. These. This. Also this. This is not gonna fit. Will it? Oh, I got it to fit. You know what I forgot? I forgot my beach towel. Okay, so my beach towel's kind of big, but this is my favorite one, so I have to take it. I hope I can shut this, but I'm gonna try. Keep in mind, I'm still trying to fit 3 more things inside, not including any chargers for the technology or anything else like jewelry. So let's see. I think it's gonna fit. I think I'll be able to do it. Kind of want to bring this headband too, but this is kind of like I don't have to bring it. Put it right there. It's gonna be perfect. Kind of want to go through my clothes one more time just to see if I can take anything out. Okay, so to refresh, I'm gonna be on the boat for 5 days, 4 overnight days. I want to work out twice. So I think I could maybe take some stuff out. It's gonna be hard. Workout shirts. Gotta bring them. What I could do is I could wear my workout shirt one of the days. Okay, so if I work out in this shirt, I could bring cute shirts so I could use it for a day, next day work out in it, stop wearing it. So I could get maybe 2 uses out of it. It's tricky. It's very tricky. These are swimsuits. Have to bring workout shirt. That would be 3 workout shirts. What if I want to work out 3 times? Maybe I don't need this. If I put on sunscreen, do I need an SPF shirt? I think it's good to have though, just in case I get really sunburned and I'm like, no more sun. I'll bring it. Okay, let's see. What I'm missing something. Ha. The real sunscreen. So this is the one I found. I got it from Target. It's gonna go in this bag. But do you think I should like put it in a bag? Maybe. I'm thinking that maybe I should wrap it in a trash bag in case it opens up. I think that's the safest way to do it. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna shove it in. I think I can fit some stuff like right here. So I think I'll be able to fit my hairbrush here, maybe hair straightener. I'm not sure about my hair dryer. I don't usually like to use the hair dryers from the hotels or cruise ships just because they don't work well. I have really long, thick hair. Actually, it's not long anymore. I got it cut, but I have thick hair. So it takes a long time. Okay, so I am gonna try to roll everything up and see if that helps.
And if I told you how many times that I've tried to take my life, would you view me the same? And if I showed you all of the scars that I've worn over my heart, would you keep me happy? 'Cause every time I open up about it, well, everyone seems to doubt it. Am I delirious and deranged? And if I told you how many times that I've lied to your face when you ask if I'm okay, well, I'm not. You helped me navigate through the nights when I was feeling out of place and I wanted to go give up. You told me caterpillars aren't born to fly, and metamorphosis ain't a process that you can catalyze. The more we sing, the more we grow, the more we dream, the less we know. But the morning sun don't always have to shine.
Okay, so I forgot about this dress. It's gonna have to make the cut. So I'm gonna have to take something out and I'm gonna replace it with this.
You how many times that I've lied to your face when you ask if I'm okay, well, I'm not. Cause every time I open up about it, well, everyone seems to doubt it. Am I delirious and deranged? And if I told you how many times that I've lied to your face when you ask if I'm okay, but I'm not. Okay, I met you at a point in my life when I was trying to be somebody that I knew I'd always be, and you would try your best to help me get by. A friend I really needed, a friend that could me see. The more we sing, the more we cry.
Okay, so I think I'm packed and ready to go. Still have to add a few more things. So toothbrush, hairbrush, hair dryer. I don't think that's gonna fit, but I'm gonna try. And hair straightener. So all of those things, we'll see. Backup plan is maybe just bringing my hairbrush and then trying to braid my hair so that it's wavy. So that's my backup plan. Okay, so I will be gone for 5 days, but don't freak out because I have prepared content for every day that I'll be out. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, I met you at a point in my life when I was trying to be somebody that I knew I'd always be, and you would try your best to help me get by. A friend I really needed, a friend I could call home, you see. The more we sing, the more we grow, the more